What's up, B Squad, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having an amazing day today. It is hot here in Texas. I am drenching down sweat. So if you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys give this video a fat thumbs up. Don't forget to turn your notifications on. And today's video, I wouldn't say it's different, but a lot of you guys have already seen this. But for those of you who haven't, I'm going to be introducing to you guys Mrs. Black Betty. That is my 2017 Grand Jeep Cherokee. My husband surprised it with me a while back. It was a few months back. He surprised me with my dream car, and I just finished cleaning her out. So I really just wanted to, you know, let you guys get a look inside of her and, you know, see what she's all about. So I have all of her doors open right now because, like I said, I just got done cleaning. So we're gonna take a look inside. Okay, so when you start right here, it's just everything's, you know, automatic, no manual. It's just the door. We don't want to see her, okay? So when you look down here, we have the Jeep mats. We have the, it says Overland because that's what kind of Jeep I have. Let's hop inside of her. So this is what the wheel setup looks like. It just has your answer, your deny, okay, all this junk that basically I don't use. And then you come over here and we have this screen. Let's turn her on. Okay, it won't let me turn her on because my key's all the way over there and all the doors are open, but that's okay. So we have the vents right here. It's, you know, on and close and off and on. The push to start engine, you come up here and you can see all that stuff. We have this big, what's this thing called? A screen that has like your GPS, all that stuff on it. And then the volume, the air, all that stuff, all the stuff that we really honestly don't care about. Hey, and then actually I am going to close the doors after I get done showing you guys the rest of the car because there's a sunroof up here that I want to show you guys. So we have this, you know, all this stuff. We have four-wheel drive low. We don't be using that. All this stuff, to be honest with you guys, I don't even be using. So let's hop out of her. So back here is where the kids usually sit. Usually Kyrie is sitting right here on this side. I have some lotion back here just in case, you know, people get ashy and they need some lotion, they forgot it. We have this stuff right here where you can control stuff back here. We have USBs down here. A plug if you want to straighten your hair or something, whatever you want to do. Let's go to the back. We just have a beautiful, nice trunk back here. I also got some stuff. This is what I clean my car with. So I clean my car with cleaning wipes that I got from Amazon. This little duster thing, and then this stuff right here, it's like a new car smell. So instead of like using like scent for your car, I use that because it smells like a brand new car. And then over here, this is where DJ sits, obviously. And then I have his picture right here from when he was in school. Look how cute it is. Oh, look at the baby. Okay, and then you go to the passenger side, and the passenger side is basically the same. All right, so let's turn the car on. Put your foot on the brake and you press that little engine start, and then you can start twisting your wheel. So when it pops up, it says Jeep, it says important, always obey traffic laws, pay attention to the road, blah, 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 blah. And then when you go on here, this is what my dashboard looks like, okay? So it says connect the Bluetooth auto device. I don't have my phone in here, so I can't connect it. Down here, there's the radio, controls, for like, so right now my seat is actually on a vented seat, which means my seat is going to get cold. If the seat's too hot, you can make the seat cold. That goes for the passenger side as well. It says 504. It's 92 degrees out, actually 91. It's probably gonna go down because my car has been outside. But down here we have apps. So we have a lot of different apps, and we have a backup cam so I can see the back of it. We have, you know, all this different stuff that I usually really don't care about. Climate to change, like, so right now it's 60. I turn it down all the way to low because it's hot outside, so I want the air to be on. GPS system, and phone. I don't have my phone connected, so it's not going to connect to that. And then we're going to open up this right here. So we're gonna press this. And I actually have two. So you guys see this one right here? This is one. And then I have two back there that I can open up as well. So I have two sunroofs, and I really love the sunroofs. Oh, it's hot in here. Sorry if you guys can hear all the noise in the background. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a car tour. If you guys haven't, you know, seen my car, there you go. It's a 2017 Grand Jeep Cherokee that my husband bought for me, like I said. I just wanted to do like a little end of this video just to thank my husband and thank all of you guys on the Biannca Prince channel, on the Prince family channel, on DMB Nation, on all of our channels, because you guys have supported me. But not only me, you have supported me and Damien through this long journey. And it's just, honestly, I wouldn't have this car, or I wouldn't be, you know, where I am if it wasn't for you guys, nor was it for Damien. Damien literally has changed my life to make me become the woman I am right now, strong, you know, all the other stuff. Because before I met Damien, I was honestly I wasn't a total wreck, because I mean I haven't really lived my life, you know, but I mean, just being with him, it just brings me so much happiness. And you know, being able to produce videos for you guys is honestly amazing. Like I said, if it wasn't for Damien, I would have probably not did YouTube, because I would have known nothing about it. When I first met Damien, he was already doing YouTube. He was doing it like, you know, like little bit here and there, whatever. But I didn't know anything about it. Like, he used to tell everybody that he was famous because he was a 2K God King, and he was just all this stuff, and I didn't believe him as well as other people didn't believe him. I didn't believe him, and then he showed me, and you know, I obviously started believing him because he has shown me proof, shown me facts and all that stuff. But he is really a strong, you know, good guy. Like, he will not let his family go without. Like, if it comes down to the last couple $100 that he has, he will, you know, say his mom needed something, or my family needed something, or whatever. Damien will give up his last just for other people, you know, around him to, you know, have it too, if that makes sense. So I just want to really, you know, thank Damien for, you know, everything you've done for me. If you are watching this, if you're not watching this, then I'm just gonna tell you when I go inside, because right now you are inside sleeping, you're napping. I was cleaning out my car and I wasn't gonna make this video, but he was sleeping, so I was like, why not make a video, you know? So Damien, yeah, you're inside sleeping right now, napping. Both boys are inside sleeping, the dog is inside sleeping, everybody's sleeping, and I'm wide awake. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the car. Hope you guys liked it, and I think that's all I have to say. I'm trying to look at my screen right now to see if the screen moves. I don't think it does though. I would say I could show you guys something really cool, but no, it doesn't move. There's nothing cool about this car. It's just basically a SUV. I told him I wanted this car because, I mean, I take the boys everywhere I go, and you know, it's just like it's a mommy car. So I have my mommy car. Her name is Mrs. Black Betty, if you guys don't already know. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Give this video a fat thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. If you are not new, you just continue to watch. Just subscribe. You always coming back, just subscribe. Why not? Turn your notifications on so you guys can get, you know, notified every time I drop a video. I drop a video every single day, y'all. I have missed a couple days, not gonna lie to you guys, but I have been releasing every single day. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later, guys. I'm out. Bye.